Hi everyone, my name is Casey Ayers and welcome to my course, Agile Business Analysis, from strategic planning to delivering value. Business analysis efforts create tremendous value for organizations of all kinds and sizes, but business analysts in agile environments face unique challenges and must adopt a new set of skills to ensure they can be as nimble in defining the future for organizations as their colleagues are in creating it. In this course, we're going to explore the different levels or horizons of thought at which analysts can generate value through their work. The strategic horizon, where the broad decisions that impact the organization's future course are made. The initiative horizon, where project roadmaps and solution components are defined. And the delivery horizon, where analysts can assist teams in creating and shipping valuable new innovations to customers. This course is part of our series helping you prepare for the IIBA AAC Agile Analysis Certification, and is also useful whether you're looking to earn continuing education credit for certifications like the CBAP, CCBA, and ECBA, or simply improve your skills as an Agile business analyst. By the end of this course, you'll understand how effective business analysts adopt their mindsets to create value for Agile organizations in a variety of ways, and know what tools and principles can help you do just that. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with some of the principles of business analysis, project management, or related fields, and have an interest in learning more about how you can maximize value for your organization. I hope you'll join me on this journey to improve your skills with Agile Business Analysis, from strategic planning to delivering value, here at Pluralsight.